Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dean, owner of GTA Commercial Brokers. This channel is your go-to as we break down complex real estate and business topics into simple, actionable advice. We've got your back. If you're working in commercial real estate in Canada, whether you're an investor, a landlord, or you're holding down a lease, this guideline is for you. I've got 5 key trends that are shaping our market this summer, and honestly, these aren't just headlines. These are real, on-the-ground changes that could impact your next deal, your bottom line, and even how you think about your business. Let's jump right in. First up, AI and automation. It's not science fiction anymore. I'm seeing more landlords use AI to screen tenants, analyze leases, and automate things like HVAC and lighting. Imagine having a building that basically manages itself, or at least the boring parts. Smart systems are driving down operating costs and helping properties stand out. If I'm looking to invest, tech-enabled buildings are already pulling in higher rents and better tenants. This isn't a nice-to-have anymore. Second, green retrofits are moving from trendy to mandatory. I'm talking solar panels, high-efficiency air systems, green roofs, the whole package. These upgrades aren't just good for the planet, they're shrinking utility bills and making properties way more attractive to tenants who care about ESG. Plus, with all the government incentives and tax breaks floating around, it can actually be a smart financial play. Now here's a big one: property tax subclass reforms in Toronto. The city's looking at changes that could lower taxes for small businesses and affordable landlords. This could totally reshape how certain assets are valued and where investors put their money. If you're holding retail or multi-tenant properties, keep an eye on this. It could open up some real opportunities or at least help with your margins. Fourth trend, US capital is coming north. Even though investment activity dipped earlier this year, there's renewed interest from American investors in Canadian logistics and essential retail spaces. If you own income-producing assets, now might be the time to test the waters for cross-border partnerships or new sources of capital. The appetite is there, especially for stable, well-located properties. And last but not least, flexibility is king. More tenants are asking for shorter leases, plug-and-play spaces, and the ability to scale their footprint up or down. Landlords who can offer these options are getting deals done faster and locking in happier tenants. That's especially true outside the downtown core, in suburban office parks and industrial spaces. So what's the bottom line? Canada's commercial real estate market, especially in Toronto, is changing fast. The fundamentals are still strong, but the market is starting to reward those who adapt and innovate. If you're investing, make sure your portfolio's future-proof. If you're a landlord, it might be time to rethink your approach to leasing and amenities. And if you're a tenant, you've got more power and more options than ever before. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, drop a like, and let me know what you think in the comments. Reach out to me and my team today. We specialize in finding the right spaces for your venture. Let's make sure your business works for you, not against you. I'll be back next week with more updates straight from the commercial real estate front lines. See you soon!